Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Now guys, today I'm so super excited because I am outside in the garage. Yes, we're going to be doing some work here in the garage. We're still doing our spring cleaning. And as I mentioned before, I have lots of projects around the house that I want to complete. I probably have more projects than I have time to do, but I am trying to just chip away at each project one at a time. So today we're going to be organizing in the garage. Now guys, our garage really needed some attention. It has been sorely neglected for a very long time. And so this is probably just like part one to our garage refresh. This is basically organization that we'll be doing, but later on I would like to do some upgrades in the garage, like with our floor, and I'm thinking about maybe having some of those hanging units added to our ceiling, but we'll see about that. But for now, we're going to clean up and organize the garage and get things in somehow functional. So if you guys want to see what I'll be doing, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so for this garage project, we are using these Leteuke. I'm pretty sure I didn't pronounce that right. Leteuke. I'm not sure, but I'm using these wire shelving units from this company. They are 18 by 48 by 72. It's 4 shelves on each unit, and they come with 4 wheels if you want to have it on wheels, or if you want to leave it stationary, you can do that as well. So this is how they look inside the box. So my husband and I are in the garage. We will be putting these shelving units together so that we can use it as organization in our garage space. So let's go ahead and work on getting them assembled. Now, as you can see, we have one assembled. That was really pretty easy, guys, but it does help to have 2 people doing it, because you really kind of need someone holding one end while you're doing the other end. So once they're in place, now my husband's just making adjustments, because I decided, on how far I wanted the spacing between each shelf. But when you're putting it together, it would be less cumbersome if you had someone helping you. And so we knocked it out within minutes for each one. They did send us 3 of these shelving units. So this is the second one we're putting together, and yeah, it'll be quick and easy. So now guys, OMG, I am so embarrassed to share with you guys what our garage look like. Those are all of my Christmas trees. They're in boxes, and then there's just all kinds of stuff in the garage. You see, we kind of have a storage system in place with those shelves there. And there's some items in there, but we have this one unit there in the corner. It is a corner unit, but with the Christmas trees, they're all just stacked on top of each other. And yeah, it works. Things are out of the way, but it is an eyesore. And I would just like for it to look better and be a bit more efficient. And who knows, at any given moment, it could fall down. So we moved all the Christmas tree boxes out, and now we have 2 of the shelving units here in the place where they were. And already it looks so much better. I'm just so happy to have those, that tower of boxes removed. And so now we did stack some of the Christmas trees at the very top of the storage units, and I'm filling in each shelf with other items that were kind of dispersed about in the garage, so that they can have a permanent home on where we store things. And here's the other storage unit, guys, on the other half of the garage, and it fits perfectly in this spot as well. So we're really happy with each of these units, and I love that they're on wheels, so I can move it around at any time if I want to. So be sure to check my description box down below for details and a discount code. Now, looking back on the other half of the garage, I filled in the shelves with a few more of the storage bins, And I have to say, this looks so much better. It is so much more neat. And I also organized some of that stuff on the corner unit. I do have my outdoor pillows stored above on the top there. And then I had a couple of bins there of some miscellaneous items that I need to go through at some point and probably trash or donate. So yeah, I'm just really happy with how this organization has come together. Again, it is a work in progress, but I think this is a fantastic start. Now here, guys, I wanted to share with you all some storage solution options. I did receive these storage bags from a company called Lifewit, and they sent these out to me to give a try. And guys, I have to say, I absolutely love them. They are like canvas bags. So as you can see, they break down to store away really easily. But when you open them up, they offer a huge amount of storage. So I thought these would be absolutely perfect. As I'm organizing different areas within my home. And since we're working in the garage and I have lots of items out there, I thought some of these items might be perfect for that space. Also, guys, I have to say, I will likely be using some of these other bags for other areas of my home, and especially with my seasonal decor. The long bags like this, I think will be perfect to hold like wrapping paper, or gift bags or things like that. But I can absolutely imagine storing all of my wrapping paper in that, because right now I just have them stuffed down in like a tube, and sometimes they get bent and it's just a mess, right? And so I think will be the perfect way to store it and keep things organized, and I can see exactly what's there. So as you can see, there are a variety of bags that I did receive, and so we'll be using some of them in this video. And I have to say, guys, of course you'll be seeing some of the other ones in other videos coming forward, because I have, like I said, several areas of my home that I'm going to be working towards organizing. And so I'm just showing you here that this bag has these little dividers in there. So if you wanted to leave it open like that, where it's one long space, you can, or you can add in the little dividers. There's Velcro on the inside of the bag and on the ends of the divider pieces so that they kind of stay in place. So you can organize clothes, sweaters, ornaments. You know what? You guys can see I'm already thinking ahead to Christmas. And I really want to get all of my ornaments and everything organized. And so this will be perfect. I love that they have handles on all sides, and there's dual zippers. So makes it easy to open and close all of the bags easily. Now here, these are some little storage totes, which again, perfect for your seasonal decor. I could absolutely see using these in the laundry room, or like on an open shelf, maybe in a kid's room for toys, organized toys, or maybe even like socks or things like that for your kids, or maybe a bag for your pets if you have pets and they have pet toys or things like that. But I also love that they have these little rope handles, and they collapse down to store away easily. So you can store them inside each other or anywhere in your home easily, and they don't take up very much space at all. So I thought those were super cute. So I'll definitely be using those throughout my home in different areas, as needed. So I decided to come back out into the garage and do something with all of my pillows I had stored on top of the shelving unit there. And so I am going to be filling these bags with all of my outdoor pillows. You can see I already have one bag filled, and so you will see how much space is in these bags, because I am going to see if I can fit all of these pillows in this bag. So these are 6 pillows that I think are 18 by 18. I did purchase those pillows from Big Lots last season, or last year after this summer season. And so I am going to just fit them all in this bag, guys. Look at that. It is fantastic. So we'll just zip it up, and you can see I'm not struggling. So the bag is not misshapen or anything. I'm not struggling to make it fit. It's zipping up super easy. And there we have it. Now, because these are outdoor pillows, I I store them in the garage, but I think this is perfect because now they won't collect as much dust and things like that because they're being protected. So now we have more pillows. I'm going to fill this bag in with them as well. These pillows are much larger than the other ones. 2 of those pillows are, I want to say 20 by 20. And then the bigger one there is, I think, 22 by 22. So I'm just kind of playing around with the placement of them so that I can make everything fit nice and neat. And again, so that the bag basically keeps its shape, because I want them to be able to stack nicely on top of each other if I choose to store them that way. So guys, be sure to check my description box down below if you're interested in these items or any other products that's offered by Lifewit. If you're looking for some storage solutions, I'm sure they have what you're looking for. Now guys, here I'm going to just go ahead and put these storage bags into place. I'll play around with it a little bit to see how I want to stack them up, but I have to say I'm very happy with how they have corralled all of the pillows together, and it just makes it look more visually appealing, and I don't have to worry about pillows falling everywhere. So again, I'm really happy with how they look in our garage. Alrighty guys, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. If so, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. You know that helps me out tremendously. Also, what helps me out is when you leave comments. So be sure to leave me a comment down below to let me know, has your garage been neglected? Have you spent years and years of coming in and out of your garage, dropping things off, but never really putting them back where they belong, or even giving them a place to live in the first place? If you have, then you have been like me. But as you can see, we are on the road to progress. We are on the organizational path. And so, yes, it is my goal to get our garage completely organized. And so this is the start, and I'm truly happy with how it came together. These shelving units are going to be a lifesaver for me as it relates to making sure that I don't just drop things on the floor and actually put them on the shelf. So yes. Alrighty guys, if you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much again for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. For my faithful family members, you all know I love you so very much, and I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.